Alright guys, day 3 with the Charger Hellcat, and today, like I said, there's a little bit of spots left here and there of like smearing, as you guys can see, so we're gonna kind of buff it out and polish the car, and yeah, just get all the paint perfect as much as we can. It's smeared there?
Yeah, there's those black dots all right there.
There's a bunch of swirls too in there. Hopefully this will bring it up, and then we'll hit us with some ceramic spray to revive the paint. Guys, I got the big part of the middle part tinted pretty much. I just gotta do these last little portions right here. So I'm gonna knock that out. Alright guys, I got the tail light tint done, as you guys can see. So I just threw a little strip around the red part, and then we covered the little white parts for the reverse. And then now it matches whole, and now when you click it, it looks pretty sick now. I mean, I had a scat pack before this in B5 blue, and pretty much I just left the red part and I just tinted the middle part, and it looked just as nice. But I guess, yeah, some people like the all black look on it. Yeah, and I threw the Hellcat badge that was on the fender, I threw it back here on the trunk, and I got bigger badges for the fender. So yeah, I'll just tape that up, and we're letting that dry, and then we're polishing the whole car, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna start wiping that down, and yeah, it's pretty much it. We're just getting all the paint perfect for the next owner. Guys, we're here at the tint shop, just getting it tinted. When we were washing it, that's how we touch it on the top. I was wondering how they cut the lines over it. Here we go, Jesse. Alright guys, we got the back seat. As you guys can see, this is pretty much the last part we've been waiting on. So it's super dirty. We just gotta clean that up. We got the rear camera installed finally for the Charger one. The one we got was a Challenger one, so the brackets weren't lining up. And then now we're just finishing up the car. As you guys can see, I'm polishing it, and then we're just detailing it right now from the inside to get it all ready. Alright guys, we swapped over the leg maker to the stock one because the IATs were super hot. It was giving like 160 degrees, so it was just grabbing air from the engine. So we're gonna try this one and see how the IATs are, because it just keeps cutting timing from the engine and not giving us full power. You guys can see the 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat in Sublime Metallic is complete. So we got it detailed up. We got a little bit dirty because we were driving it. But yeah, as you guys can see, it looks very good now. We polished the paint, threw some little ceramic spray on it. Got the wheels, the brakes cleaned up. We got the hood on it. And yeah, the things that they stole. So they stole this dash trim piece. We got that. We got the radio in there. That was pretty much it for the front part. And the back part was hard because the back seats were super expensive at the dealer and it was hard to find anywhere else. So we got the back seats in there matching with the Alcantara and the leather cobbled, just like the fronts are. The fronts are the leather with Alcantara, Laguna leather. That's what they call it. That's what it says on the option sheet. So we got that in there, and then we got the back window tinted, as you guys can see, and we got the trunk on there all painted, matched up with the paint code. We got the back lights tinted, as you guys can see, so now it's matching all that. Got the small Hellcat emblem on the back right there, and
purchase your tracks today.
We got the Hellcat emblems on the side. So I think these are red eye emblems. So I just have to color in the red eye with the black. But yeah, those are pretty much the only emblems I can find that were like a decent size, because all the ones I was ordering was these small ones that's on the back. Got the Corsas all cleaned up. We got the trunk in there. We got all the hardware in there. And we got the backup camera. It was hard to find that because anyone that was selling the trunk, they were selling it with the camera, so couldn't really just get the camera. And the guy we bought the trunk off, he didn't have the camera, so we got the camera from Amazon for a charger. If you guys look right there, yeah, so we got Cook's long tube headers, 2-inch, connected to and paired with the Corsa Extreme full exhaust. And then, so I'm in Arizona, if you guys know anything about Arizona, Phoenix in particular. So we're in summer right now. It's June and it's like 110 degrees every day, plus today was 115. So the IATs were getting super cold. I don't know if you guys go back in the previous two videos, we threw a leg maker on there. I still got the leg maker, and it was just grabbing all the heat from the engine and just breathing it right back in to the supercharger and the engine. If you guys know anything about boosted cars, you want your intake air temps to be as good as possible, because if you don't, you're going to heat soak your supercharger and possibly blow up the engine, and it's going to pull timing like crazy, which is what it was doing to us. We were getting not the full power because it's so hot, so we went ahead and threw the stock intake on. So it's doing a little bit better on the IATs. It's giving like about 130, 140 cruising around, so that's about normal. That's what I've been reading on the forums, for the Hellcat forums. People are getting worse than that. So yeah, this one is just grabbing air from right here and from the bottom of the chassis, and yeah, feeding us a little bit better, but yeah, still pulling timing because yeah, the IATs are just too hot. And if your intake air temp, the temperature that the intake is grabbing is already so hot, when it gets into the engine, it's multiplied and it becomes even hotter, which is just a recipe for disaster, because heat is what kills these engines, especially high power engines. So yeah, you need some better cooling, like the interchillers that people put on there, because we would drive it and the supercharger you can come back like 12 hours later and it'll still be hot. That's how hot it is getting. So it's just crazy the amount of heat that this engine is creating. So that's why we just threw this on there just to protect, so it doesn't whine as crazy now. But yeah, you guys can go back in the video right before this, and we have a bunch of driving clips, and it whines like crazy with the leg maker on there. I think the B Woody is one of the grid ones that whines like crazy as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. That means so much to me. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video if you guys liked it. Drop any comments down below of what y'all thought, what y'all would like to see next. So this one is going to be up for sale. You can DM me on Instagram. It's on my Instagram if you guys are interested. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, but obviously we can transport anywhere in the country or in the world. If you guys are overseas, shoot me a message and I can show you all what's done to it. Up any ideas on if you guys would like to see anything more about flipping cars or how to buy cars from the auction and making money off them, I can make a video on that as well. If you guys like, comment down below if you guys want to see the price review, how much we bought it for and how much money we put in, how much money we're going to sell it for. So comment down below if you guys want to see that next. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned with the channel, dropping videos just like this. We got more cars coming. Stay tuned so you guys can learn something from it.